process also. It is not advisable if you're going to make a presentation na ilalak nyo lahat ng mga accomplishments. So there is a funding that's under the GAA with your targets. And having a 169% increase doesn't mean that it's good. That means that you don't need money. You don't need an additional amount because you're able to do more for just that amount. In fact, ibababa yung budget ninyo kung ganon. Because you have 169% increase for that particular amount. So that's under the GAA lang. So the presentation should segregate. Meron kang under the GAA, ito yung target, ilan yung na-accomplish for this amount. Under special program, ilan naman yung na-accomplish. Under local fund, ilan yung na-accomplish. We need to identify that. Although, pagdating sa baba, sa implementation, hindi mo naman sasabihin na itong pamilya, binibigyan mo ng family development session under to sa local fund or under to sa regular fund. But that has to be, there has to be some kind of a distinction when it comes to reporting. Because a 169% increase does not mean that it's good. There could be an extraordinary circumstance na nangyari. Pero kung hindi wala naman pala, you're just, kasi walang gastos, sinasabi niyo walang gastos. And so you just went to the community, you went to the families and did your sessions. Now, to prove that, you would need case holders. Kaya kailangan ng listahan ng stakeholders, ng beneficiaries, ng cases. Kung 200 cases ang hinahawakan ng bawat MSWO, ng bawat social worker, dapat merong mga case holders to prove na gano'n nga. Kasi if that's the case, ang implication nito sa DBM, hindi nyo kailangan ng budget increase. At kailangan pa, kailangan tanggalan kayo ng budget, bawasan. Kasi kaya nyo naman pala to do that. Or, ang sasabihin nila, then dapat iakyat nyo ang target. So, hindi na siya realistic. So, sa planning, hindi siya realistic. You targeted so low. When you know that you can actually target a higher amount. So, having a more than 100% increase is not really good when it comes to planning and budgeting.
Baka mamaya mataas yung sa bonus, mababa yung as plan. Yun yung hindi maganda. Di ba? Mas malaki ang bonus di ba? Kaysa as plan. Kasi ako, may pakiramdam ako sabihin nyo na lang kung hindi ito. May tendency kasi tayong implementor dahil nagkakabulan tayo ng numero. Samantalahin natin yung activities ng ibang. Pero hindi na tayo naging conscious paano ipatupad kung ano ang plano natin. Total, sumobra na ako ng accomplishment. So yun yung hindi Bayad ba kayo mababa sahod nyo, marami ang bonus, pero sakma.
Ang family welfare po ay isa lamang sa mga programa na hinahawakan namin. But as we go on, you will find other activities that requires huge amount of money. I mean, pag ganun po, for example, for Tawi-Tawi sa deportees, kalaki-laking kailangan namin halaga. Working with few people. For livelihood assistance, malaki din po. Very unfortunately or fortunately, the reality is, if we conduct pre-marriage counseling, travel lang ng worker ang kailangan. Kasi nasabi kong minimal.
Hindi kaya nga, travel lang ang kailangan. Kasi bakit? Pag magano tayo, nagpamimirienda tayo?
Hindi po.
Baka mamaya, pinapamirienda ka pa kayo. Salamat. Meron ka pang banig dito. Kasi nabigyan mo ako ng tamang advice.
So what we're saying, depende po sa nature ng service, ang aming target, ang aming reach out. So in totality, malaki din po ang kailangan. So yung magkagaan, talagang malaki din po.
Ma'am, actually, ang point ko lang pag tatama lang natin ng plano, pagpapatupad at sa reporting. Okay, yun lang actually yung pinaka-issue natin ngayon muna. Kasi, iba naman yung next program nyo kasi sobra-sobra na naman ang photo. So, titingnan din natin kung paano. Ito kasi, magandang programa, pero gusto ko lang sa umpisa pa lang makita natin. Kasi ako, nung nakita ko rito, na 100% yung difference ng target. Kaya gusto kong malaman ngayon, sabi ko, sigurado kaya to pati yung target as plan. Baka mamaya dito sa target as plan, mga people, doon tayo sa walang plano na nakakuha ng malaking bonus. So hindi maganda yon. Dapat muna as plan, ibang usapan ang bonus. Kasi kaya bigyan kayo ng bonus, kung bawasan salary nyo, hindi rin kayo masaya. Dapat itama muna ang salary nyo. Kung may bonus, okay, kasi bonus ang expected naman. So yun, dapat ang plano as expected. Okay? Salamat po.
Okay, noted po, sir. Actually, ang pinakamalaki talagang clientele namin galing sa special projects.
Hindi
The
naman
regular. Kaya lang yun lang, hindi lang gaanong na-desegregate according to the target for the regular program and the special projects. In fact, yun po yung recommendation na i-carry on natin next planning. At in fact, sir, ma'am, actually yung aming for the regular program budget napakalito. Alam po yan ni Sir Ras. Then nakita niya nung siya ay nag-OIC sa DSWD. Maliit masyado yung budget for the regular programs.
Yun yung reason bakit tumutulong tayo ngayon dito. Kasi kung 3.5, tapos sumasakay tayo sa special programs, never talaga aakyat yung regular programs. Kaya dapat yung regular programs, hindi na yung old style. Kasi di ba nag-start tayo with counseling lang. So ang next question dun, anong nangyari dun sa counseling? Effective ba o hindi? So dapat yun, kung talaga bang naging effective. Kasi tayo, dumadami yung mga bata, hindi na record sa NSO, hindi na call. So anong purpose ng family program natin kung nanganganak, hindi lang man ma-record sa NSO? So sa tingin ko, kailangan nyo i-recheck yung regular talaga na targeting. Kasi pwede hindi nyo siya binigyan ng malaking pondo, pero yun pala ang pinaka-importante. Kasi every time na may pamilya, manganak, yun yung focus ng DSWD. So baka nakuha dahil doon hindi nyo na-check yung pinaka-fundamental, hindi nyo nakita kung paano suportahan yung pamilya hanggang sa nakatawid siya ng poverty. Yun talaga yung pinaka-crucial. Sa tingin ko, baka na-miss nyo gaano ka-importante itong program. So travel lang ina-allocate nyo, yung pala mas importante kung paano siya i-track, paano siya i-analyze. Pero syempre, madami pa ibang program, baka pwede tayo mag-focus doon. Ang importante lang, ang pinag-usapan natin dito based on policy, naintindihan ng lahat, hindi dahil magpataas lang tayo ng project, kundi based sa budget natin, makapag-deliver tayo ng servisyo na kalidad. Yun lang po.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. And also, sir, siguro complementation din yung nangyayari for our special projects. Once na-found out natin with the regular program, yung proper intervention for the family or children or the community. Ang special projects ay complementation doon sa other needs like livelihood and small infra and so on and so forth. So to continue po, sir, ma'ams, for the child and youth welfare po, we have targeted 85,000. Again, hindi po namin na-separate yung regular and the special projects for these programs. Kaya we targeted 85,920 as an annual target. But as to the reach, we were able to reach 122,715 children po. Again, an increase of 142%, which is based on your interpretation, hindi na kailangan ng intervention. But the truth of it, kailangan pa po talaga. Hindi lang po naayos yung targeting as to the regular and the special projects. Okay. So women, sir, we targeted 64,440. We only reached or accomplished 31,030 actual number of women. 48% na po yung na-reach natin for this.
Sa women welfare program.
Miss Jenia, please respond to the answer of Ma'am E.S. Rather, question of Ma'am E.S. Inquiry about the women welfare program. Ano yung mga ginagawa natin with women welfare program?
Okay. Before anything else, allow me to greet. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. A blissful Tuesday morning to everyone. As to the Women's Welfare Program po, yung mga activities But before we go to that, ang brief description po ng ating programa sa kababaihan ay it aims to promote the welfare of disadvantaged women 18 to 59 years old, giving special attention to the prevention, eradication, and exploitation of women in any forms, as well as promotion of skills for employment and self-actualization. So yung mga program services po natin under this ay yung may celebration po ng women-related events like the Women's Month and the 80-day anti-ribaw campaign. We also have our gender Islamic perspective. We also have the sessions on the Enrich modular packages. We also have the practical skills development for women, as well as the psychosocial interventions for gender-based. Apart from that, we also partner with other special projects like the Sustainable Livelihood Program when it comes to self-employment assistance para sa kababaihan. Yan po, Ma'am Yes.
Ma'am, ang 64,000 na. Kasi target
po,
ma'am,
opo.
ganito, 64,440 annual target.
Yes, sir.
Tapos 31,030 actual number. Population or na-complete.
Na-reach po ni
Na-reach ng
women.
anong program?
Ng women's welfare po.
Hindi, ano ang klase program sa women?
Ayun mga services po namin, sir. Like yung psychosocial.
Segregation. Ano ba ang services nyo? Etong 1,000, ito ang na-serve sa ganito. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Kaya hindi ko.
We look at the
Ano po kasi?
women's.
Ano program nyo? Uli, isisahin ko muna. Medyo may problema ako sa targeting. Ano program nyo, ma'am? One, welfare, women welfare.